Attention, landscape contractors. Do you own a landscape company looking to increase job site productivity and cut down on labor hours? Introducing Mammoth machinery. This dumper will raise up to the height of any standard 5-ton dump truck, as well as to the height of any standard bin. As this machine measures 36 inches in width, it will easily get through the entrance of most backyards, and it'll easily carry 1,750 pounds. This dumper is powered by a Honda 13 horsepower engine. With an electronic key start system, this machine is limitless. Getting the job done right means having the right machinery on hand. Thinking Mammoth Machinery? Think Sid's Ponds. Now offering flexible payment plans in-store and online.